Hey guys, it's Kizzy and welcome back to my channel. Today's pink galaxy design is perfect for Valentine's Day or any other day of the year. It's really simple and it looks amazing. I also made the ring in the photo, so if you want a tutorial on how I did that, then let me know in the comments. So to create this design you will need a base and top coat, a white and glitter polish, a light, medium and dark pink polish, and a purple polish. Excuse how crusty my nails ink bottles look, the nail polish remover just kind of destroyed them. Some pieces of sponge. I like to use a washing up sponge, but you can also use a makeup sponge. And this is optional, but I'm also using some tweezers to hold the sponge. So let's get straight into this tutorial. Start off by applying a base coat to all of your nails. And then I'm painting my nails with the dark pink polish and letting that dry completely. Now to create the galaxy, I'm dipping a piece of sponge in white polish and sponging on the nail where I want my galaxy to be. The key with this is to put only small amounts of polish on the sponge at one time and build up the colour. Next I'm sponging on the medium pink polish on the edges of the galaxy. And then the light pink polish in the centre of the galaxy. I'm sponging the purple polish on the edges of my nail to create some depth and contrast. And the white polish again down the centre to highlight the galaxy. Then apply a coat of glitter polish to make your galaxy come to life. Finally, apply a top coat to seal everything in. And that's it for this tutorial. Let me know if you enjoyed it by giving it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye!